Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how to add a Pinterest board to a widget on your Android device. If you guys are new to the channel, if you could give us a like and consider subscribing, that would be amazing. Okay, let's get straight into it. So in order to do this, the first thing you're going to need to do is to make sure that you have installed the Pinterest app on your mobile device and that you're logged into your account. Once you do that, you can close the app. So the process of adding a widget to your home screen might be slightly different from one phone to another. However, the process is mostly the same. You want to press and hold onto your screen, and then if you take a look at the bottom of the screen, you're going to see a widgets option. So press on this. After that, all you have to do is scroll through this list until you see the Pinterest widget, just like that. So as you can see, there's two different types of widgets available. You can either choose the one that displays one pin from your home feed, or the one that displays up to 6 pins from your home feed. So in my case, I'm going to choose the one with 1 pin and give it a tap and add it to my home screen. And then you press and hold on it and drag into the position you prefer. Once you're happy, you can just tap away from it, and here you have the Pinterest widget added to your home screen on your Android device. That's pretty much it. That's how to add a Pinterest board as a widget on Android. I really hope you found this video useful. If you could give us a like and subscribe, we would really appreciate it, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.